This video will help participants understand and use Texas Curriculum Resource documents formatted similarly to TCMPC TEKS Resource System documents. TCR consists of curriculum documents designed to help Texas educators best utilize the open education resources that are available on the TEA webpage, TEA Available Materials. Currently, only Eureka K-5 Math and Carnegie Learning 6-12 Math are available. When accessing the OER resources, users will need to register for each product in order to have access. Links to the individual vendors are available on the TEA Available Materials page. TCMPC is the umbrella which houses both TEKS Resource System and Texas Curriculum Resources. This is helpful for districts who may have adopted TCR for a single subject but still follow TRS for their other content areas. Districts may also choose to purchase only the TCR component. Users should only be accessing TCR if they are implementing a high-quality instructional materials product. It's important to clarify what Texas Curriculum Resources does and does not do. When the high-quality instructional materials products arrived, many districts wondered how to incorporate them with TRS. This solution was created by a collaboration between TRS and TEA. The goal was to create documents that would be familiar to TRS users and allow them to better implement the HChem products. In order to access TCR through the TRS platform, districts must notify their ESC and sign a non-disclosure agreement with TCMPC. Third Learning will enable the TCR feature, and then the district administrator will need to upload all users. The district will also need to enable the campus, grade level, or individual users that should have access. Once the user has logged in, they should select the Search button to locate the TCR documents. On the Search All Components screen, users should select grade level, select subject area, course, unit or module, and component type. The Texas Curriculum Resource documents are formatted similarly to the TCMPC TEKS Resource System documents. Let's begin with the vertical alignment document. Teachers should use the VAD to not only identify on-grade level learning to be mastered, but also to help determine prior student learning and to help avoid teaching content that is actually in another grade level. The VAD illustrates how TEKS align from one grade level to the next. Included with the SEs are specificity and clarification notes explaining what the standard includes. Moving on to the year at a glance. The YAG provides a snapshot for the instructional year while bundling the SEs into modules. The YAG shows the modules, the approximate number of days the modules should take, and the TEKS associated with those modules. The YAG is available in a 6-week or 9-week format. Next, the TEKS verification document, a companion document to the YAG. The TVD lists student expectations for a grade level content area and indicates when an SE is a direct teach, ongoing, or developing across units. The instructional focus document are unit planning guides which provide an overview of the module, overarching ideas and questions, student misconceptions, key vocabulary terms, and module-level specificity of the TEKS bundled in that module. A link to either the Eureka or Carnegie login site in order to access instructional activities is also on the IFD. The instructional focus document is the bridge between curriculum and instruction. Users also have access to the TEKS Resource System assessment items, which can be found under the Components link from the home page. An extensive support center, a revisions area which tracks changes in the system, and a news and update area are also provided. Congratulations! You have now taken the first step towards utilizing the Texas Curriculum Resources.